back to another video, and today is a special day. We are having 2 videos a day today. This isn't normal. Let's just go walk around. Hi, Dad. So
hello, cat.
Where?
Cat.
I know who that is.
Who is that? Oh, isn't that the cat we saved from last time?
Yeah.
In the Coke machine? Oh.
No.
Yeah, that's the cat that we saved from the Coke machine.
No, it's not. That's Juicy's kitten.
Oh.
It got out. So there's this kid who's a terrible kitten owner, or cat owner. He owns that poor little thing right there. Now you probably can't see it because it's really blurry. Hold on, let me go get a closer view of it.
You're fine, kitty.
Oh, no. Yeah, that poor thing. We had to rescue that thing from these 2 terrible cat owners.
But Jade and
Cadence turned it back.
Yeah. No, Jade did. Let's see if the cat likes Dr. Pepper. No.
Yo, could you get me one?
No.
Please.
No.
Aw, I could put you in a video.
What?
I'm on YouTube.
No.
Put you in a YouTube video.
I have my own YouTube channel.
Oh, crap.
Except them.
Well,
Actually, have a YouTube channel called TTGTV. I got Dr. Pepper.
right now we're just walking around my apartment complex.
Like my Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna go grab it.
No, don't.
Yeah, don't. Don't, or I'll call you a doge.
So, I'm gonna go see if my little kitty wants out.
What? It's fine.
Okay.
Let me go grab Are you going in?
Rico. Yeah. Going out? If my Nico wants out.
Where's Austin?
Come on. No, it's not. This is pure content right here. We're gonna leave my pretty kitty to leave.
What are you doing?
Make a video. Okay, so
Yeah.
boy.
It says on my shirt.
Well, turn off the video. As normally. Oh, kitty. Let's go.